There's nothing like chilling with my girls. Just me and my divas taking over the world. Divas. Hey, divas. Let me tell you now, D-I-V-A-S.
Hey, it's your girl A. What's up, everybody? So y'all already know what time it is. My favorite wig companies, which is UNice Hair. Girl, they got the internet covered. You can check them out on Aliexpress. They also do have their Amazon website and their actual own UNice hair site. But this one is available on Aliexpress, which is their kinky straight 13x4 already pre-everything lace frontal. Let me show you how your wig comes from UNice Hair and their Aliexpress website. So this is their kinky straight, as I stated, and it is a pre-everything 13x4 lace frontal, 24 inches, 150% in density. Girl, this has been pre-bleached, pre-plucked, pre-styled, and pre-approved, okay? Now, it does come with a removable elastic band as well. And as you guys can see, I'm going to just go ahead and put the first layer of hairspray on my hairline, or my forehead, rather. Now, for the first layer, I always allow it to get tacky prior to spraying on any other layer. Normally, I would do like 3 layers, but for today's video, we're only going to do 2. And when I do the final layer, the hairspray is always semi-dry. Now, as you guys probably are wondering, why did I leave my sideburn, my natural sideburn hairs down and spray the hairspray over it? Because I did have good intentions on actually installing the wig behind my hairline. But at the last minute, I decided not to. I did push the hairs, or my natural hairs, back into the wig cap. But this wig comes already everything done for you, which is really a time saver. Because, girl, listen, you ain't got to bleach no wigs. You ain't got to pluck no wigs. If you want to style them, you can go ahead and style them. Now, this is Yaki straight hair. It kind of reminded me more of like a kinky and Yaki's texture mixed together. Now, to style it, I'm going to use my wax stick just to make the smoothing process a lot easier when using my hot comb. I'm just going to pull down this headband just a little bit, and I'm just going to go in with the hot comb. You want to make sure, if it is a pre-everything wig and you are going to hot comb it while wearing it, make sure that you have some type of safety net around your hairline, girl, like the elastic band or the melting band, because you do not want to burn your own self. Now this hair, like I stated, was the Yaki straight, but it kind of reminded me of kinky and Yaki mixed together. Either way, girl, this hair is bomb as hell, okay? I love the fact that it always comes bleached for me, but I still want the parting space or the scalpage to match my own actual natural scalpage. So that is the reason why I use the concealer. You don't have to if you don't need to. There's definitely no speckling of knots, but I just want the lace to melt and actually appear more closer to my own scalp color. Now I'm using a 1.5-inch barrel, and all I did was spray some of my hairspray on the hair prior to hot curling it, so that way it can give it a hold, because like I said, it's Yaki straight, and it's kinky straight too to me too. I think it's like khaki. That's what I'm calling it, because it's in between khaki and it's in between, it's in between kinky and it's in between Yaki, so we calling it khaki, okay girl? This time around, like I said, I did use the 1.5-inch barrel only because I wanted like a lot of volume in the hair. Sometimes when I do curl like kinky straight hair or Yaki straight hair, I do like to use a smaller barrel so that I can give myself kind of like beach waves. As you guys can see, I'm gonna just go ahead and cut some of the sideburns. This is optional, but the wig came out really, really nice. You definitely need to make sure to put some type of clips in it to hold the curls in place. That way, once you're ready to take them down, they don't fall. Now, as you guys know, I really prefer to keep the clips in overnight when it comes to this texture here, so that way the curls could definitely stay. But because we did this on video, I definitely had to remove them. But it did hold a great curl, even for the amount of times that it was clipped. Hairline is bomb. Girl, definitely a good fit. The wig cap fits very great. It does come with the elastic band, the removable elastic band, combs, and the adjustable strap. But girl, let me tell y'all, this wig is definitely one that you definitely want to check out. I'll link everything down below for UNice here. Y'all know how I feel about them. They always got the best of the best of the best of the most affordable wigs. So on that note, I love y'all. Stay diva, divalicious. Make sure you rate, comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all on the next one. Bye.